Oracle Enterprise Performance Management, or Oracle EPM, is a powerful cloud-based platform designed to help organizations plan, analyze, and manage their business performance with clarity and confidence. In today's fast-moving business environment, organizations generate massive volumes of data every single day. Operational systems record what has already happened, but sustainable success depends on understanding what is coming next. This is where Oracle EPM makes the difference. Oracle EPM acts as the strategic layer of the enterprise. It takes financial and operational data and transforms it into forward-looking insights that support smarter decisions and long-term growth. At the core of Oracle EPM is planning. This module enables connected planning across finance, human resources, supply chain, and sales. Organizations can build budgets, forecasts, and multiple what-if scenarios, allowing them to respond quickly and confidently to changing market conditions. Next is Financial Consolidation and Close. This module streamlines and accelerates the close process by automating data consolidation across multiple entities. It improves accuracy, reduces manual effort, and ensures compliance with global reporting standards. Oracle EPM also includes account reconciliation, which automates reconciliations and transaction matching. This strengthens financial controls, improves transparency, and increases trust in financial statements. With profitability and cost management, organizations gain deep visibility into performance. They can clearly see which products, services, regions, or business units are profitable and identify hidden costs that impact strategic decisions. The tax reporting module aligns tax processes with financial reporting. It provides better visibility, supports compliance, and enables organizations to manage tax positions more effectively across jurisdictions. Narrative reporting connects data with insight. It allows teams to combine financial results with written analysis, creating clear, professional reports that support management and stakeholder communication. Supporting all these capabilities is Enterprise Data Management. This module governs master data and hierarchies across systems, ensuring consistency, accuracy, and control as the organization evolves. One of the strongest advantages of Oracle EPM is intelligent decision-making. With advanced analytics and predictive capabilities, organizations can identify trends, manage risks, and explore future outcomes with confidence. Oracle EPM also delivers agility. Businesses can test scenarios, evaluate strategic choices, and adopt faster in an ever-changing market. As a unified cloud platform, Oracle EPM eliminates data silos and provides a single, trusted source for enterprise performance management. It modernizes operations and supports continuous innovation through scalability and automatic updates. Oracle EPM is used across organizations to align strategy with execution and turn insight into action. But technology alone is not enough. Real transformation happens when the right skills meet the right platform. This is where BISP trainings becomes the turning point. BISP trainings provides focused, industry-aligned Oracle EPM training designed to bridge the gap between theory and real-world application. Through structured learning, practical exposure, and expert guidance, learners gain the confidence to work on Oracle EPM in real enterprise environments. Oracle EPM shapes how organizations plan and perform. BISP trainings is where that expertise begins.